is a kind of study where the one who asks stands behind the glass and writes down what she sees. Careful not to touch it, careful not to be anywhere inside the thing she came to understand. But that is not the kind I chose, no, that is not the road I know. I chose the kind where the one who asks is standing in the middle of the question. No clean hands, no distant light, no safe room on the other side. If I was gonna speak it true, I had to walk the answer through. My own experience was not a bias to be managed. My own experience was data. I am an expert in my story, so are you in yours. That is not a comfort, that is the method. That is not a comfort, that is the method. I did not ask it from the outside, I was inside when I said it.
So before I ask one other living soul, I answered every question first myself, out loud, recorded, written down. My own process living right beside theirs. So
no one could say I stood outside it, no one could say I did not pay the same price I was asking them to pay. I entered every word I gave, no easy truth, no borrowed name. I put my body in the frame. If I was gonna hold this flame, I had to let it mark me sane. My own experience was not a bias to be managed. My own experience was data. I am an expert in my story, so are you in yours. That is not a comfort, that is the method. That is not a comfort, that is the method. I did not ask it from the outside, I was inside when I said it.
I did not study self-forgiveness
from a distance. There was no distance. That is the whole reason you can trust it, and the whole reason it cost what it cost. I was not watching from the shore. I was the wound and I was the source. I was in the fire I came to name, and nothing leaves the place unchanged. The researcher is a full participant. That is what the method means. I was the fire I came to write about. I am not reporting from the shore. My own experience was not a bias to be managed. My own experience was data. I am an expert in my story, so are you in yours. That is not a comfort, that is the method. I am not telling you about the water, I'm telling you the water. I did not ask it from the outside, I did not